everyone, I'm Dr. Mahima Agrawal. I'm a consultant dermatologist from New Delhi, India. Today I'm going to share 6 extremely important yet simple tips to follow if your child has dry skin. A very important difference between infant skin and our fully mature adult skin is that infants have a very thin and delicate skin which can lose water very rapidly, also known as transepidermal water loss. This is the reason why their skin tends to get dry very quickly during winters and in seasons of low humidity. Tip number 1 is for bath time. Avoid prolonged baths and avoid bathing your child with extremely hot water. Keep the bath time as short as possible and try not to exceed the bath time by 5 to 10 minutes. And try to bathe your child in slightly lukewarm water. You must have experienced while doing dishes that if we are doing extremely greasy and oily dishes, it's much easier to rinse them in extremely hot water. Similarly, if we bathe our child with hot water, the natural oils which lubricate the skin tend to get rinsed off. Tip number 2 is use a Scented bar or a Scented bathing wash instead of a soap when bathing your child. As soaps are alkaline in nature, they are very effective in rinsing the body of the natural oils. My personal favorite is the Aveeno Baby Cleansing Range. It is extremely effective in maintaining the natural moisturizing factors of the skin, yet cleaning the baby effectively. Tip number 3 is for the after bath care. Once you've bathed your little one, apply moisturizer or oil all over the body when the body is still wet. This will lock in the moisture before drying the baby out. Next, you have to pat dry the baby and don't rub the body with the towel. Also remember, it's preferable to use either olive oil or coconut oil for the baby's skin. Avoid the use of mustard oil as it contains allyl isothiocyanate, which is known to cause allergies. Tip number 4 is moisturize. Moisturize your baby's skin with a good moisturizer at least 3 to 4 times in a day. Talk to your dermatologist and find out which moisturizer is best suited for your baby's skin. Remember to use a fragrance-free moisturizer. It's preferable to use creams in winters as compared to lotions because they are greasier and they tend to form a good barrier on the skin. Tip number 5 is avoid the use of heaters or blowers, and especially keep your child a little distant from blowers because the direct wind effect of the blowers can really dry out those delicate skins. It's important to use a humidifier in case you use heaters or radiators for a long duration of time. It is also beneficial to simply place a bowl of water near the radiator in order to maintain the humidity of the room. Coming on to the last but not the least tip, hydrate. Hydrate your baby. If you're breastfeeding, breastfeed frequently. If it's an older baby, then try to offer water a good number of times to hydrate the baby so that moisture is constantly present in the skin and the skin doesn't dry out. Follow these 6 easy tips to make your winters happy and to make those baby skins soft and supple and itch-free.